Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Grillo with Express Dentist. And these days we hear about artificial intelligence a lot, and healthcare is finding new ways to use artificial intelligence as well. And it's working its way into dentistry. And if you're wondering how it might be used in dentistry, here are 5 applications that innovative practices are going to be using before long. Now, a lot of these technology pieces aren't in place in the average practice yet, but as you know, with the advent of ChatGPT, some of the other AI driven programs that are coming on very, very rapidly, we can expect to see this technology accelerate into dentistry. So here's 5 ways that we see it happening. Number one, we see it in radiology or dental x-ray imaging. So if you give dentists a set of x-rays and you ask them to look for cavities, dental decay, they're only going to agree less than 5% of the time. Now that's because decay can be very subjective when it's small. It can be hard to really pick out. So some dentists may say, well, there's a little bit there. Others may say, no, I don't see it. And so you can imagine how AI technology can really help increase the accuracy of diagnosis with dental decay. And that will be something that dentists can use in real time with the x-rays that they take of your teeth, like when you go in for a cleaning. Number two, oral pathology, looking for disease. This is really a big application. So what they found in studies is that dentists or radiologists agree most of the time with what AI finds on detailed imaging when it comes to tumor detection. So these are like 3D type images, MRI type images. Where the real difference is the speed of diagnosis. So it may take, in the studies they've done, it may take a clinician up to 25, 30 minutes to fully detect the tumor because they have to go through all the different layers of imaging. And this AI technology can do it in less than 20 seconds. And so you can imagine the efficiency gain and just the checks and balances that that creates in the system. That's pretty exciting stuff. And number three is natural language processing. So there are a lot of tasks that we have to do in a dental office that require clicking and choosing, on a computer with our technology. But the more we can voice activate systems and it knows exactly what we're looking for, the better off we are. So, for example, being able to have x-ray functions take place through voice activation and just processing dental language so that tasks can get done faster, more efficiently, and really safer in a contactless environment. So that's just another broader application that is being developed further than it has been in the past. And number four, orthodontics. So in orthodontics, when the clinician is moving the teeth, they are making decisions about where to apply forces and then applying those forces. And sometimes it's not quite as accurate as they'd like. So they have to go back and do a little bit of trial and error in a sense. So maybe a tooth moves a little bit too far, and then they have to move it back. Now, this is one of the advantages of some of the aligner systems with the software they use, is that they are using some analysis in the digital setting to figure out what teeth might do if you apply forces to them. But with AI, it takes that to another level because AI can look at the setup of teeth as they currently are, and it can use that intelligence to figure out where forces should be applied more accurately, whether a tooth needs to be removed, and just more precisely what's it going to take to get this case done. That leads to better results in much faster time periods. So that's really exciting as well. And number five, using AI in endodontics, which is root canal treatment. Now, root canal treatment is a very precise treatment on the inside of teeth. It involves a lot of areas where we can't really see. And we've used some technologies in the past that are a little bit like a sonar or ultrasound in a sense to figure out how long a tooth is and to try to decipher some of the anatomy with 3D imaging and so forth. But now when you can apply AI, it can help with the precision of understanding, even based on the information, what the chance of success is to a much greater degree by analyzing everything, maybe helping us understand the anatomy and certain steps that might need to be taken to make sure that the success is higher than before. And in endodontics, we do see about a 95% chance of success with treatment. So if we can get that closer to 100%, so much better, and reduces the stress and the predictability of the outcome. So that's just 5 ways that we see AI developing in dentistry currently. And if we do this a year from now, I think there will be many more applications to talk about. Now, at Express Dentist, we help our callers get in touch with dentists and other providers in our network. And some of them are using AI. They're all innovative in their own ways, finding technology that is going to make treatment better, more successful, and more comfortable, of course. And so if you need a dentist, please feel free to reach out to us and we can help connect you with someone in your area. Regardless, the future is bright in healthcare, and we're here to help you get the dental care that you need. All the best to you and your oral health.